you feeling distant with your partner or uncertain about your relationship? Today's tarot reading will uncover the hidden truths about your love life, from your partner's true feeling to any challenges ahead. Are you meant to be together? Let's find that out. Stay with me till the end of this video for the final outcome and a special message from your partner's higher self. If you want to book a personal reading, guys, or a love spell, click the link below in the chat because at the end of the video, I am also going to tell you which spell work you should book to get the maximum results and for me to make your partner come back in your life or for me to make the reconciliation happen between you and your partner. Hi guys, my name is Neha Tankha. I am a tarot card reader, a numerologist, a spellcaster, a crystal believer, etc., etc., etc. So let's see. Before I proceed, do not forget to like, share, subscribe me here. If you're a cross watcher, leave a comment as to which bit of this particular reading resonated with you. And by the way, guys, connect to my energies by liking this particular video. This particular video is going to resonate with the set of people who has liked this particular video and dropped I claim in the comment section. Please center yourself, take 3 deep breaths, close your eyes, hit the like button, say their name, drop I claim. This particular reading is meant to find you for those people who have liked and dropped I claim in the comment section. Let's see. Okay. The first two cards that came out is the Seven of Cups and Five of Cups. Something tells me that your person, out of lot of confusion, out of so much frustration, they may have taken a step in the past which did not go well for you or for them at all. They are regretting doing something that they shouldn't have done, and right now they feel that out of confusion they took a step, but they did not do the right thing by taking that particular step. Because with Five of Cups, I do see that out of confusion, out of choices, maybe for few of you, I feel choices out of so many options. That person felt very confused and they took a decision which right now with Five of Cups they are regretting. They are regretting what they have done because all you had to offer was love, a pure, gentle, sweet love to them, and all of a sudden I do see that they are regretting. The Nine of Cups and the Six of Cups tells me this person is feeling emotionally so vulnerable and they are feeling so much emotions for you right now because I see a lot of water energy still. Now if you just pay attention here, we have received all the cups card, very strong water signs, Scorpio, Pisces, and Cancerian energy, very strong, sun, moon, rising, or Venus sign. I feel that your person sees you as somebody who is a wish fulfillment and they sort of miss the opportunity by behaving or doing the things they shouldn't have done. They are missing you so badly that they can't have a control on their own emotions. They're literally crying at night for you. They are not able to sleep. Okay, they are literally crying at night for you. They are missing all the moments they have spent with you. They are missing all the good times they had with you. This person can't believe it that they have done something on their own and now they are regretting it. With the Seven of Pentacles, they may not be accepting it. They may be fighting away from this particular situation. They are kind of hiding that feeling. They are not accepting it, so they're self-sabotaging it by sort of not addressing it or accepting it that what they did was absolutely wrong. They are now feeling as if because in the past I do see there was a runner chaser behavior. This person was a runner, you were a chaser. I do see that probably you tried your level best to make this connection happen, or your person did. So take how it may resonate. It may resonate with you, it may resonate with them. If it is not your emotion, then it may be theirs. All right. So I do see that with the Seven of Pentacles, this person was running away from this particular connection, and now when they have self sabotaged this connection, they are just running away to accept it. But the problem is that this entire situation is actually making them feel bad. It is making them even more furious and frustrated because they are not acknowledging it. And because they are not acknowledging it, guys, they are feeling even worse right now. They are not happy. Okay, let me tell you this, they are not at all happy with what has happened and what major steps they have taken, and they are now regretting because their own actions and their own karma is kind of making them regret, repay, or I would say their own actions are not letting them go off to sleep in peace. They are feeling so bad and so hurt that that whenever they try to run away from that particular emotions, they feel it even more stronger what they did to you. The moon, again, you may be feeling it telepathically, intuitively, that something is definitely wrong with my person. And I do see that in your dreams there is some sort of telepathy, so keep a check on your dreams. Secondly, I do see that they are dreaming of you, even if they are going off to sleep. Not only in the daytime they are missing you, but in the dreams as well. While they are sleeping, they are dreaming of you. For few situation, I do see that your person had a lot of fears and phobias because of commitment, maybe, or being in a relationship, that this person actually ran away, thinking that it is not their cup of tea to give a commitment to anyone, and they ran away. For very few, it is not going to resonate with it, each and every one of you. I also sense some third party situation happening here. The death card tells me that there is a transformation taking place in this particular connection, and because of that, what is happening with the death card, that this person is realizing it's sort of a karmic thing they are going through, the awakening they are going through, the transformation that they are going through, which makes them realize that they need to get in touch with you. With the King of Wands, they want to get in touch with you, but at the same point of time, that feeling is quite on and off. Like, for a minute they want to be in touch with you, for the second minute they are like out of that thing, that they don't have to, they kind of suppress those emotions. But I also see that even though they want to be in touch with you, they want to make things happen on their own terms and conditions. They don't want to back down, because this is also some person who is not somebody who can agree to their flaws or their thoughts or their own mistakes. Okay, so they want to come back on their own terms and conditions. I do see heavy Pisces, heavy Scorpion energy, and fire signs as well over here. Sagittarius, Leo energy as well, and Aries too. I do see Five of Wands, internally conflicted. A lot of outside people getting involved, internal conflicts or the conflicts between you and them, which may have taken place. They don't want to back down. They want to stand strong on their own decision. So, in case if that is your person and that is your situation, guys, and right now you're thinking, when is it that my person is going to reconcile with me? I see that. I see that this person wants to reconcile, but they are stopping themselves because they don't want to back down. They are getting hurt, they are missing you badly, they are regretting everything that they did, but their ego and pride somewhere down the line is stopping them to come forward towards you. With the High Priestess, again, I do see that intuitively they know, intuitively they are thinking about you, and they want to come forward towards you. And I feel that you are either watching tarot videos right now, like right now you're watching other tarot videos as well, or you may have taken some consultation. Otherwise, I also feel that you are also somebody, or they are somebody who is highly intuitive. So one person definitely is very intuitive. The Knight of Cups, this person wants to come forward towards you, but it is going to be with a lot of blockages and delays. So it is not going to be soon. If you want to make this faster, this reunion faster, this reconciliation faster, then guys, I would suggest go for a 7 days love, reconciliation, and communication spell work with me. And in case if you want things to go towards marriage, commitment, obsession, then you can go and then you can go ahead and book 21 days love combo. Trust me guys, what really happens that there are times when people want to come, but their ego, their pride, outside influences or challenges sort of keep them in a loop. Okay, so even though they want to reach out to you, they are unable to do so because their ego and their pride is not letting them to do so. And that is where the spell work will work for you guys. If there is anything left in your person's heart, and if at all they are stopping themselves, okay, not to feel that anymore, the spell work is going to boost that, and it is going to make the reunion, the communication faster. All right, that's how the spell work helps you out. And trust me guys, 75 to 85% of my clients have received such a good feedback. So anyway, I do see that they want to come forward towards you, but this particular connection is not going to be that easy. There is a lot of blockages, lot of things that I see is blocking this particular connection. There are delays, right? And for few of you, I do see that maybe your person has even blocked you, if not physically on phone or social media, then I see energetically they are pushing you away and blocking your energies right now to feel. Okay, and the four of cups tells me that they, in life in general, they are feeling very bored, very disconnected. They are not completely in touch with their own self right now, and that's why they have taken this particular space. They have gone into a dark place right now, it seems, wherein they never wanted to go, but right now it seems like even though they have gone there, it is just in order for them to find out the way, the clarity. And somewhere down the line, then once they receive the clarity, that is when they will go ahead and call you and give you that much awaited clarity, that much awaited call. That message is going to come in. For few of you, I am also sensing that once this person come out of that particular energy, I do see they are going to give you that clarity once they receive that clarity as well. Okay, very few of you may even receive a call in 24 to 48 hours, because with the Ace of Swords, I feel that in case if your person has already received the clarity, if you've been away and in a no contact situation, of if this person has taken space and the situation has been bad from last 6 weeks, 6 days, or maybe 8 days, I do see that now's the time when your person can reach out to you anytime, because they are about to receive that clarity. The only thing is we need to give them that particular push by doing spell work, so that they reach out to you faster than what you expect, what what originally is basically. Okay, so let's see what actions this person is going to take. Okay, and then we are going to check your energies as well. What actions will this person take? Again, like this particular video, do not forget that this particular energy work is going to resonate with people who have liked this video, dropped I claim in the comment section. That what actions are they going to take? They are going to realize that you are the one for them. They want to have a family with you, somebody who is worth of getting who's worthy of getting married to, someone who is a perfect life partner for them. With the Queen of Wands, I again see that they see you as somebody who is a go-getter, very magnetic, attractive, the charisma, the charm that you carry in your aura. And you're somebody also who stands tall. Okay, your worth. Okay, you're not somebody who will beg for love, or who will beg for the attention. The Devil card right now tells me that they are getting obsessed for you, and they are getting obsessed with your aura, they are getting obsessed with your charm. I feel even though in the past you may have chased them, right now you have taken your power back, because I do see that the power is in your hands. And I do see with the Empress card right now that you are indulging in self love, which is making this person get attracted towards you even more, right? And that is why they are getting very obsessed. I also see a third party situation over here, because I see two ladies, the Empress and the Queen of Wands. Okay, and I see some power play as well, some black magic hexes also done here. For people who has been dealing with a third party situation, that can be anyone, the mother, sister, daughter, the mother, sister, or an ex lover or a lover, third person who is eyeing on your person right now. This person may have done some sort of spell work on your person, because of which things are going down the drain right now. So guys, in case if that is the situation, if there is a third party in your connection, you can go for the third party removal. And because I see that there is a spell work done, there is a black magic or hexes which has been performed on your person and on your relationship, for this, go for the negativity removal spell. All the links will be down below. In case if it is not there, then you can reach out to me directly on my WhatsApp, or you can reach out to me on Instagram, okay? But I do see that they want to come forward towards you. I think this particular spell work is stopping them, and somewhere down the line, even if you got the spell work done, it has not been performed well, let me tell you that. Okay, because I do see that there are chances that the person who performed it for you, if they have performed the third party, or if they have performed the hexes removal, something like that, I do see that in that particular situation, your person is definitely thinking of you. They are trying to get over with that thing. They are juggling with that. But that pull will only come when you go ahead and get the love spell also performed, because that is the time when they are going to come towards you, right? Queen of Cups, they do care for you. They don't show it, but they do care for you, and they want to be with you. And they also know that you are equally in love with them. The Emperor tells me they are stopping themselves. A little ego problem and issues, a tussle are there. They are keeping an eye on you, okay, with the Page of Swords. And things are going to be fine. They are just going to make the right appearance at the right time. Get the spell work done, guys, because I do see that this particular spell work is going to result in a very good thing. Now, your energies, you feel like things have ended. The way you were with this person, things have ended, or you are thinking to end the connection, or you're thinking that your person has already ended the connection right now. You feel very betrayed, you feel hurt, you feel as if something major has shifted in your connection, because you saw the world with this particular person. You saw as if you will have a life with them. You want to get married. It is a stable connection, and you are very happy being in this particular connection. Few of you, I do see that very often you've been seeing 10-10. Okay. Okay, it I do see that majority of you may be seeing 10-10 on the screen right now, or probably I do see that quite often you're seeing this angel number here and there, maybe whenever majority of you may see 1010, 1010, something like that. But I do see a lot to do with number 10. So if you're seeing this particular video, and if you've been seeing this angel number, then this particular video, I'm sure, will resonate with you. Because now I see whatever disaster that happened, and closure that and the ending that happened now, I see that you will be gearing up. Now you're coming back in your own self. There is a light-hearted energy and a new beginning that you are expecting. You are expecting a new beginning, a light-hearted one, but also a committed one. You are fearing that probably what if your person has moved on with a third party, or probably your person will not put in the efforts that you are expecting. But the only thing that is going to make you feel happy is when this person will put equally efforts, or put efforts to, if at all, to get in touch with you. The High Priestess and the King of Pentacles, yet again I do see that you are looking for a happily forever after. Your intuitions are telling you that this person is going to give you that much required stability, security in the life. And you, somewhere down the line, you feel that whenever this person is around you, you feel very happy. And you feel as if they bring in a lot of healing, security, and groundedness to your life as well. So you are looking for a new beginning. The only thing that scares you is a third party situation, and whether they are going to put in efforts to make amends, and to have a new beginning in this connection or not. The Lovers tells me that you feel a very strong pull which makes you realize that this person is not somebody, just a normal relationship. The feelings are quite strong. The feelings are very strong. It's a twin flame connection. And I do see that somewhere down the line you are gunning for a new beginning. only if this person actually reaches out to you. With the Queen of Wands, I do see that somewhere down the line this person definitely is attracted with your aura, with your charm, and so are you. Like them, you are also very attracted, and you are somebody who's a go-getter. You want to make this connection happen. You want to end the negative phase that you guys are going through in this particular connection, and I do see that ending as well. Okay, it can be a long distance relationship. Somebody seems to be traveling right now. With the Page of Wands, I do see that somewhere down the line, you want this person, or probably you're willing to send this person a message, okay, or you have received a message from this person right now. So I do see, all in all, you want a new beginning, and that is something that you are aiming at. Not lowering your standard, you are completely indulging in self love, and that is actually making your person come towards you even stronger and faster. I do see that you have indulged in a lot of self love, which is actually good for you, because anyhow, in case if you have been chasing this person wouldn't have come back, and they wouldn't have realized what they actually made you go through, and how much suffering they have caused for themselves and for you, and overall in this particular connection. There are a lot of regrets. They may even come and apologize to you. The only thing is, something is stopping them to come forward towards you and accept how much they are in love with you. So guys, if this particular reading resonated with you, do drop I claim, and if you're a cross watcher, do not forget to like, share, subscribe here, hit the notification bell so that you are being notified whenever I'm coming online. Also, if you are looking for any sort of personalized session with me, and if you are looking for deeper insights, again, the link is in the description box. I do take personal readings as well. Do not forget to book the spell work ASAP, so that the slots are still there and it doesn't get closed and full. Okay, so thank you so much. I'm gonna see you later, and bye bye.